how to download apps in Windows. There are two ways, and one of them is a lot more easier than the other. So the first one is just go to the Microsoft Store. If you're new to the Windows world, it's very possible that your Microsoft Store is down here on the taskbar. If not, you can just go to Start, All Applications, and then you can just type in Store, and you can just open it. And here you can see we have a search bar on the top. So let's go ahead and type in, let's say, Google Chrome. So here you will find some apps and some you may not. Here you can see we have Brave, Mozilla, Opera, web browser, some app I guess. So you can download this straight from here. So let's say I want to download Opera browser. I'll just hit install, and now it's going to install for me. I don't need to do anything beyond this. So here you can see it's downloaded already. Now it's going to start installing. You can see it's almost done and it says installed. So now if I minimize this, you can see it in start, because sometimes it will come up over here in recently added, or you can just go to all applications, and here you can see Opera has been added. So that is one way. The other way is going and actually downloading a file. So for that, let's say I go to Brave. I'm just going to download the same browser. There are two ways to each app for the most part. So here I'm going to type in download, and here you can see it's actually going to start downloading for me. I'll click downloads for now. You can select any file or location you like, and on the top right you can see it's downloading. So here you can see it is done downloading. Now if I click on this, it's going to open a setup page. So I can click accept and upgrade. Now it says upgrade because I already have one. If you haven't already installed it, you can just go to the install page and it will start. So here you can see installing for current user, which is moitechstation. If you haven't already subscribed though, do make sure you subscribe. And it is installed. So obviously if I go here and see, it's already installed and it's open for me as well. So if you download apps in this way, the second way, it's going to open the application for you as well. So that is about it. We have installed the application. So that was about it. We have installed the application. It was very easy. If you have found the video helpful, do drop a like, share and subscribe.